Hello and welcome to Art Ideas. This is the fun first step of taking our inspirations, making a space for ideas, and starting to work to turn them into works of art. So this place is just what it is, a place for the ideas for art. So how it works is we have another button that adds a page called Title of Artwork. Here you click on the page and you figure out what kind of initial idea or title you want it to be. So I'm thinking of painting. It could be mixed media landscape of the Southwest. Then start exploring what it means. These are just ideas to jump off from. Feel free to use this as a reminder. Start writing your ideas, initial descriptions, and answer some of these questions. Why do I want to make this piece? Well, I want to make this piece because I'm really interested in mixed media. I'm really inspired by the Southwest. Why am I inspired by the Southwest? Well, it's where I'm from. I really like the colors and the textures and the way that it really grounds me into a sense of place and a sense of people. What will the focal point be? Is it something compositional? Is it, the mountains? Is it an object, a figure in the landscape? Is it the kind of abstractness of the media? And then you can keep going through. This is a way to take an initial idea and then start answering these questions and jotting down the information you have to turn it into a piece. Here, you can drag over, just like the inspiration and references, any images that you have from the South, for example, of the Southwest, of different media and material you like. And then as you start making sketches and thumbnails, you can save it here. The goal of this is to be a digital sketchbook page, a place where we offer some questions that help guide you and ground you into making a piece. We'll also have a storage space. For example, if you are doing this in a sketchbook page, say you were out in the wild, out in your studio, and you jot down an idea for a piece. Take a photo of your sketchbook, bring it over to Inspiration Ideas, or drag and drop it into this template. The idea is to have a mobile version of your sketchbook to help you expand and evolve your ideas. And the nice thing too is that by answering some of these questions, they get you ready and more prepared to, one, guide your piece through the studio process. By understanding some of these questions, it can help you break through different blocks and challenges you have in the studio. By being clear on your idea, it can answer some of the questions along the way. But that also means sometimes we don't know yet. Part of the creative process is the exploration and the spontaneity. So, while this is helpful, can be helpful to create your pieces, it's also a really great way to return and answer these questions once you're done. These questions are a really great foundation to writing about your pieces. So, as your work grows and as your career grows, being able to have these questions in mind will help you get to these next steps, better communicate your art with your audience, with collectors, with potential clients, and really help you grow your artistic process. So, again, when you're done, you can go back and you'll have all your ideas saved here. Once you're ready, take these ideas and we'll move over and create cards for the studio process to make these pieces from ideas to pieces in progress.